Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lewis here, and today's date when I'm recording this video is Monday, October 26th, which means that it is time for another market update, and I need to update you on my trading versus dollar cost averaging accounts. So just to fill you in on a little bit of the details, I started doing a dollar cost averaging account a very long time ago, and I also started trading a very long time ago. But I recently, got my account up to some pretty big numbers, and so now I could actually trade more seriously, or at least like make more money trading. And there is a saying that's, all throughout the trading community and all throughout just basically trading and investing that says that you'd be better off just investing your money, just averaging in every single week into stocks or cryptocurrencies or whatever. And you'd be better off doing that instead of simply trading and trying to time the market. They always say time in the market is better than trying to time the market. And while I do think that that's true for the vast majority of people because they lack, the discipline or maybe the intelligence to really understand the charts and to really go in and do technical analysis and fundamental analysis and all these things to time the market basically, I feel like I'm pretty good at it. And so that's why I started this dollar cost averaging versus trading account challenge basically, and I started on the 5th. You will see right now this is about 3-4 weeks in. It's actually the 4th week, and my dollar cost averaging account is actually up more than my trading account, but this is really for the long term, so it's going to be really interesting to see, just which one does better in the long run. So this video will be an update of that, and then I'll go over some news, and then my Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis, and then I'll make a whole nother video for my big market analysis after I do this. So starting off with Bitcoin, there has been a huge surge in price over the past couple of weeks, and it is now trading at over $13,000. Yes, it's trading at $13,100 as I speak right now. So of course, the dollar cost averaging account into Bitcoin is doing phenomenal, and so is the Bitcoin HODL account. My trading account is still doing pretty well, and I will put that on the screen right over here so you could see. Last week I was just over $86,000 with a starting balance of around $77,000, which means that I was up around 10%. But this week, which is week number 4, I am down a couple $1,000s on my trading account, which means that from the start, from the original amount that I put in, I am up around just over 7.5%, while the dollar cost averaging account, on the other hand, is up over 12% in the last 4 weeks, which is awesome. So if you would have started to put your money into Bitcoin on October 5th, 2020, you would be up over 12%, and you really can't complain about that at all, because that's better than the average of the S&P 500, which is what a lot of people tell you to just average into. So Bitcoin for the win, outperforming the S&P 500, outperforming the NASDAQ, outperforming almost everything. Like usual, Bitcoin is the best. But of course, just because Bitcoin has been doing really well the past couple of weeks doesn't mean that it's not going to experience a drawback. And if you stick around for my Bitcoin analysis in just a minute, you'll see that we're actually coming up to a very key critical level, and it's a big resistance, so I'm going to expect a lot of sell-off when we reach this level. And when that happens, maybe my trading account will start to outperform my Bitcoin dollar cost averaging account once again. And so we're gonna get into the analysis in just a minute, but first, let me just share the winner of the weekly update contest. Every single week, if you aren't aware, which I don't know why you would, because I only literally said it one time, I'm going to be holding a contest that will grant the winner 3-month access to the Crypto Elite VIP. And that's where you could just follow my trades or just see what I'm doing behind the scenes and see the different cryptocurrencies I'm investing in and the different trades that I have going on, and be part of the Crypto Elite community, which I think is really cool. So I give away a 3-month membership to the winner of the contest. This week's winner is Dave89 Libanos. So congratulations, Dave89 Libanos, I will contact you. So in order to be eligible to win, all you have to do is follow me on all of the different social medias. So obviously subscribe, like and subscribe this video right here in this channel. Also on Twitter, follow at Louis Raskin and at Crypto Ray Optics. Also on Instagram, follow at CryptoLeet and at Crypto Rays. And then also on TikTok, follow me at Louis Raskin and also follow at Crypto Rays. And then you will be eligible to get the 3-month membership to the VIP and hopefully make some money. So just follow and subscribe on all those different channels and then comment long-term gains below and then just shoot me a DM on Instagram at CryptoLeet with your username, just saying like, hey, I entered into the contest and these are the names of your, handles on these different accounts so I could, check. That would be awesome and you'll be registered and then I will send you a code to get into the CryptoLeet VIP. And that's gonna be that. I think we should get to the analysis now. Before I get into the actual scan, obviously I need to mention I am not a financial advisor. None of this is investment or financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet, just giving my opinion and what I am doing. I'm just sharing what I am personally doing. And speaking of that, there are a couple things. There's actually 2 things that I'd like to talk about, or 3 things before we get into the actual update right now, which is going to be a quick update. And that is Crow, or Crypto.com's native cryptocurrency, and SXP. So if you're not aware, Crow is actually the Crypto.com cryptocurrency. And Crypto.com has these different cards. And if you compare the cards, you could see that you could get some really, really good cash back on the higher coins or higher cards. And so I just noticed, I want to do that. And I noticed Crow is about 50% down right now from the top, right? So it's about 50% down from the top. It's at a really nice support level. So I'm going to buy a lot of Crow right around this area. And if it happens to drop more, if it happens to drop down to the 88%, which it happens a lot of times, then I will buy a whole lot more. But as I pointed out in my Discord group, important information regarding staking Crow. After November, the required amount of Crow to stake for the cards is going to go up a lot. So we are writing to inform you that we are updating our card staking requirements effective after November 2nd. So you will not have to increase your card stake, and all existing rewards and benefits for your card will remain the same. So if you are in it, then you will have the benefits that you got before November 2nd. But as you could see from the website, you got to stake 1 million Crow for this card and 100,000 Crow for the white card. But it's going to be going from 100,000 to 250,000. So that is so much. That's such a huge increase that I want to get all of these. I want to get all of these before November 2nd and then stake them so I could get my white card. I actually already have this jade green one, and I'm going to do a video on crypto.com. I'll try to make it tomorrow, or maybe I'll just make it right after this one. Who knows? I'll do an unboxing of it. But yeah, it's really important that you want to get this Crow, this crypto.com card before November 2nd, or else you're going to be really screwed and you're not going to be able to, or you're going to have to stake over 150% more than what is required right now. And that's literally over double the price that you're going to have to pay. So I feel like this is a really good level. So I'm buying a whole lot right here. And that is for the crypto.com card. Then there's also SXP, and this is the swipe card. So this is the native token for swipe, and this is a Visa debit card, and it's the same exact thing. Well, not the same exact thing, but it's basically a clone copy of the crypto.com card is the swipe card, except swipe is with Binance, which is the #1 exchange in the world. So I am pretty confident in swipe. So I'm loading up on swipe. and I'm loading up on SXP to get the swipe card. So just like all the other, just like the Crypto.com cards, the swipe card has Saffron, Sky, Steel, and Slate. And this is such a good deal because you get 8% cash back on all purchases when you get this Slate card, and you stake your SXP, and you only need 30,000 SXP stake required for 6 months. I say only, but that's about $30,000 because right now it's just under $1. So it's actually less than $30,000. And for under $30,000 to get 8% cash back on all of your purchases is incredible. That is like no card, you will never get 8% cash back. You'll never find that anywhere. Most credit cards give you 5% cash back on very select items, such as the Amazon card gives you 5% cash back on Amazon purchases and at Whole Foods, but no one gives you more than 5% cash back on all purchases everywhere. But this one does, and it's for under $30,000, and that you have the chance of SXP moving up again, and even from just this level. Even from this level, it could go all the way back up to all-time highs, and that's 400%. So, $30,000 times 400% is a heck of a lot of money. That's well over $100,000 right there. So I'm loading up on SXP and I'm loading up on Crow. I sort of want SXP to drop down here, but I have so much already that like I might be able to just get this card soon enough. Crow, I don't want it. Crow, I wanted it to drop down here, but now because of the staking requirements are more than doubling, I might have to get all of them for around this level. I might have to get all of them so I could get this icy white card before Monday the 2nd. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to share with you right now before we got into this update. And then I'm going to actually get into the update. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to make a different video for the update. So just go watch the next video that I have, and it's going to be a straight up market update video where I'll go through all of the top 10 all the way to dot and link. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, dot and link is what I'll do for the top 10 market update video, which I'll just upload right now so that this one doesn't go too long. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm going to do the full market update in the next video because that's sort of boring and not a lot of people like want to look at that. But like if you're interested in trading and investing and like what I'm doing, I'll have those market update videos as a separate video than these trading versus dollar cost averaging videos. And then for these trading versus dollar cost averaging videos, this competition that I'm doing, I'll have these videos along with some nitbits of information that I find interesting, such as the crypto.com and the SXP thing that I talked about right now. So you'll get a lot of value in all of the different videos. And once again, if you want to enter the contest to get a code that will be good for 3 months in the VIP group on Discord, then comment below and be sure to follow, subscribe, and do everything that I talked about in the beginning of this video. Send me a DM so that I know that you did it, and I will get the winner out on the next video. Once a week, every week. I try to get these out by Monday. I'm gonna go do the market update now, so I'll see you in a minute.